We're back at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and today we're on a special mission to find the item worth the least amount of credits. In other words, the cheapest Star Wars collectible here at Batuu. Let's go and see what we can find.
We're gonna go ahead and start our search here at Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. Doc Ondar is obviously a collector from everything you can see here in his room. From holocrons to helmets to a giant wampa. I don't know where he got that, bud. So I am sure that in here we will definitely be able to find some stuff. I was curious, what's the cheapest legacy lightsaber?
We have the
Halcyon? Okay.
One, which is I believe $119.
Okay. Here it is, you all. So as I mentioned, this is the Halcyon lightsaber. It's actually really pretty. This is the same one that they use for Jedi training or lightsaber training. This comes in at $119.99 right now, along with the Plo Koon lightsaber as well.
So maybe a lightsaber isn't the cheapest thing we can get at Doc Ondar's. I feel like that kind of makes sense because it's like an actual toy, like a thing you can use. It has like a motherboard, a switch, it lights up. So let's see if we can find something else that's stationary, not, you know, something you can swing around, and maybe we'll save some credits. We were just kind of browsing around, and we've always been in love with this stationary like collectible of Darth Vader's castle on Mustafar. It actually lights up, like there's a switch and then the lava is glowing and stuff. I feel like this would be the best to have like at night, just on when there's nothing else on in your house.
I would love it, I want it.
Okay, so it's pretty heavy. I definitely wouldn't like take this on a plane with me or anything, but let's find out how many credits we would have to spend. This is actually more expensive.
$200.
$200. So this is more expensive than their cheapest lightsaber. So I guess we're gonna have to keep looking, but it's pretty cool.
We struck out on lightsabers. We really struck out on Vader's castle. So I'm thinking maybe some like apparel, clothing might be good. So we have some cool Ahsoka merchandise over here. Her cloak's really awesome. This is something I would love to have. Let's see how much it is though.
Dun, dun, dun.
$130. We're doing a little better. Still more than the lightsaber. So let's see about her other items. Maybe the top. $80.
How much?
All right, not bad, not bad. 80.
Okay.
And the belt, I feel like we're gonna have some good luck on this one.
Okay, yes.
$69.99,
hey.
$70. So we're definitely getting there in the more affordable range, but I think we should check out some other sections of Galaxy's Edge and see if we can't bring that credit price down just a bit more. Do you know what my favorite part of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge is, babe?
What?
Characters. And up top we have all three. We have Vi, Chewie, Rey up there. We're gonna wave at them. They're not seeing us at all.
They're awesome.
Look at them. We never really get to see all three of them together like that. And I love it. Are they waving back?
They are.
There we go. They're our friends. We love them. Let us know in the comments who your favorite character is here on Batuu as well. Some of my favorite characters are the bounty hunters like Boba Fett and Mando, which you can actually find here on Batuu. But if you want to follow in their footsteps, you can actually do bounty hunting here in Galaxy's Edge. You just need a magic band and you tap it, and you can earn credits that you can, after you find your bounty, bring back and turn in. Unfortunately though, those credits can't be used in the shop, so they're really not going to help us today.
Don't worry though, because I did bring credits they will accept at the Resistance Outpost, which is where we're headed to next. I'm really hoping we're going to be able to find something under $70 there. So let's see. I'm ready to drop some money here at the Resistance Outpost, which, by the way, is right next to Rise of the Resistance. And if you do want to know more about everything you can ride, eat, buy, everything you can do at Galaxy's Edge, make sure you check out our updated video with, like I said, everything you can do here at Batuu. Let's go ahead and check out some merch though. My eye is already drawn to the helmets because they're weathered and you don't get to see that a whole lot. And I think they're kind of cool. I really love the visor too. Oh, I love that it has the little chin. What do you call this?
Chin strap,
the chin strap. And this.
That's my favorite part. I love the little mic if you need to communicate with your other pilots.
It's very important. I mean, how are you going to, you know what I mean?
This is, if you want to be part of Falcon Squadron, you need one.
Yes. Ooh, that would be cool. All right, moment of truth. $79.99. So this one is about $10 more than the last thing we just looked at, which was
$70 for the belt.
Yeah, Ahsoka's belt.
But not a bad price
at
all.
I mean, stuff like this I feel like used to be like $150 around.
Like if you got them through Hasbro and stuff like that, that's a really good price, and it looks great.
Absolutely. So this is pretty cool. Let's see what else we can find.
Coming dressed up to Galaxy's Edge is really fun, and it actually has a term called Batuu bounding. So you can see my outfit today. I have this kind of poncho on, a belt, some cargo pants, boots, to blend in with the environment. And what's really neat is if you don't have anything beforehand, when you're here at places like the Resistance Outpost, you can purchase items to blend in and have cool interactions with characters while you're here in world. So I'm hoping some of this Batuu bounding merch will kind of be a little cheaper in that price point we're looking at. So let's see how many credits it's going to cost us. Han Solo is a very popular character. He's one of my favorite, if not favorite, smugglers in all of Star Wars. And you can actually find some of the Han merch here. So they have this really cool vest. My favorite part is it has the pockets on the back and all of it. Very film accurate, honestly. And it comes in at $49.99, so not bad. We did find something a little cheaper. And what's really neat is over here you can also find his top to go along with it to wear underneath, which is also $49.99.
Nice.
And the quality is really nice, and you really will fit the role of Batuu citizen wearing these kinds of things when you come to the park.
If you want to blend in but you don't want to dress up like a specific character, they also have some nice clothing items. Like this one, for example, is the one that I'm wearing right now. I really love it. It's got the Resistance emblem, it has some Arabesh around the hood, and it just fits right in. It also kind of has like an asymmetrical shape, and I really love that because it's very in-world. It's not just like another Star Wars Resistance top, it's different, as you can see by my beautiful hood. And this one comes in at, drum roll please, $44.99. So this one's $45. It's right around the range, right, that we're at right now. So we're gonna keep going down. But I really love the shirt and it's super comfortable.
Doing your skins can be confiscated at any time.
We didn't know.
Just did.
Sorry,
Will do,
Lieutenant.
sir. Okay, so that was a little scary. He was really tall. He came out of nowhere. Whew, okay, let me just get it together. I love those impromptu interactions here at Batuu, almost as much as I love some of the actual building experiences they have here. One of my favorites is the droid building experience, which is here at the Droid Depot. Let's go inside and check it out.
Building a droid will cost you $119.99, so same price as some of the legacy lightsabers, but you get to actually interact. It's really cool. There's a conveyor belt, you pick the parts for your R unit or C unit, and you actually get to assemble it. You use a drill, put its legs on, its dome, its body part, and they're remote controlled too, so they're really fun, and honestly not a bad price. So you can either do a lightsaber or get the experience of building your own little companion. And if you don't want to build your own droid because you have one from the Star Wars films that you really love, they sell them pre-built here, like R2-D2, BB-8, my favorite, Chopper, and BD-1 from the Jedi Survivor game.
We do have some cheaper items here at Droid Depot. Just caught my eye was this Droid Builder's hat. Check it out. Let's try it on. Okay, how do I look?
I really like it. One of my favorite things is on the side, turn sideways. There's this pocket here.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can actually, oh, it's Velcro. You can actually store some stuff in there. It actually opens.
It's just like Velcroing things on my head right now. You know what? This is actually really comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh my God, now I'm gonna have to buy it.
What's really neat about the hat is you can pair it with other items in like this t-shirt and do some bounding like we were talking about and do a droid builder bound.
That would be pretty cool. Let's see how much this hat goes for though. It is $34.99.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. I actually saw something else here that I thought was super cute, and it's this mug. It's very unique, which is why it caught my eye.
It's
like it
two dome heads. That's really cool.
Yeah, isn't that awesome? How cool is that? It actually looks like a really big capacity mug too. I really like it. Let's see. $27.99.
All right, we're coming down in price.
Right, we're getting into some affordable items here.
We have been looking at a ton of light side merchandise, so I figured it's time we head to the first order area, and we're gonna hop into the first order shop and see what we can find in here. Falcon Squadron, I'm scoping out the environment. I see people. And I found you guys. These are really cool. Again, good bounding items. You can get a pair of binoculars, and these actually aren't bad, $30.
Hey, nice.
And you can do a little first order bound with those and check out some things here on Batuu or do some bird watching. If you need to unrest some resistant scum, we have some first order binders.
Nice.
These are really great. We actually have them and we've used them for some outfits. And this might be the cheapest item we found yet at $19.99.
Oh, you know what? That's actually really good because they light up and stuff.
They do. The shop does have some more expensive cool items like this Stormtrooper helmet. It's very cool. It's voice changing.
Ooh.
I don't know how well it changes your voice, but you know. And it's actually not bad. It's the same as the Resistance helmet, $79.99.
That's not bad at all.
I don't know about you guys, but I have become a pin collector, and this shop has some of the coolest pin. We have the First Order 709th Legion pins. I have this one. It's really awesome. This one's one of my newest favorites. I'm really liking that BD droid. AT-AT. We have Kylo on there. And then another thing I really like are these patches. These are really great to put on your clothes and kind of blend in with the world. And actually, these aren't bad. The pins start at $12.99 and go up to $16.99. And then your first order patch is only $12, $11.99.
So $11.99 seems to be the cheapest thing we've found so far, but we haven't given up yet. We're going to head to the marketplace next and see if we can beat that.
Rising moons, citizens.
There's minions.
Have you seen my troopers here? They're excited to meet you. All of you in this outpost, hear me. Before we came to Batuu, Black Spire Outpost was an unruly place, hardly safe for travelers such as yourselves. So, while some of you have come to Batuu on holiday, we are here on business. The resistance has been reduced to a handful of stragglers with no hope of standing against us. And yet we believe they're trying to make a useless attempt to regroup and draw others into their hopeless cause. The stormtroopers under my command are on my orders searching this outpost to ensure that does not happen. I expect your compliance.
We're making our way into the Black Spire Outpost to the shops. What shop should we check out first?
The creature stall.
Creature stall? Yes. All right, let's do it.
If you want to find all kinds of animals, this is the place to be. We have porgs, we have big porgs, we have little porgs, we have puffer pigs and loft cats from Lothal who open their mouth when you pet them the right way. Ooh, and he's angry. That's pretty cool. But we're on a mission, right? So I'm kind of thinking something on the cheaper side is going to be smaller. This is, what is this?
I think it's a colored pencil set.
A pencil set, okay. So this is $17.99.
There you go.
That's not bad. It's probably cute too. They don't have an open one.
You can use them in the journal over here, so that would be a cool combo to buy together.
That would be a cool combo. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Oh, they're all different. Look at the buffer pin.
And then you can color them in with your colored pencils. I want that
awesome.
now, baby.
I know. Oh, Lord. See, this is what happens. Question is, how much are these journals? That one didn't have a price. Let's see if we can find one. Oh, it's $26.99. So it's a little bit higher, but we're still on the hunt here. I've always really loved this little bag set, and I always really want it, but I never buy it. It's just one of those things, right? Tiny bag, medium bag, normal size bag. It's got little like embroidery. Yeah, this one's banthas. We have some loft cats and some porgs.
Very cute.
How cute. And dun dun dun, $29.99. So we went up a little bit there. Let's see, let's keep looking.
All right, we're gonna go to my favorite shop next, which is the Toydarian Toymaker, and see what we can find. Some of my favorite things in here are these like in-world dolls. So we have Ahsoka and we have an Ewok. These are actually relatively well priced. They're $22.99.
Okay.
And they make great little decor to put on your shelves at home or for kiddos. I think this would be really cute to give like a kid for a little doll. I love these die-cast models. I actually have this Millennium Falcon one. They also have an AT-AT, and these are $19.99. But if you want something a little cheaper or more of a toy, they have some land speeders here that are $12.99.
Hey.
This is really fun though, because look at this. It's the little toys that you can pull back and then they launch forward and you can just play with them and have some fun. I haven't really noticed this before. It is a tic-tac-toe Empire versus Rebellion set. It's a wood, which is really cool, and it has little Empire and Rebellion logos that you use to play tic-tac-toe with. I really want it, and it's only $24.99. I thought it was gonna be way more expensive than that. We're coming into the Batuu merch shop where everything's just a Batuu theme to see if we can't find anything $9.99 or a little cheaper.
Okay, this is $29.99, but it's really cool. It's actually the Spires where the Millennium Falcon is out there, like the ride.
Yeah.
And like that's actually the entrance to the ride right there. That's pretty neat.
Very neat.
Cool,
what about these shot glasses over here?
Okay.
We have $9.99.
Oh, there we go, another $9.99.
These are actually pretty cute.
We have it has bright suns, which is you're greeting for during the day, and then rising moons for at night.
Oh, they're double-sided. I saw them over here and I thought they were two different shot glasses.
Yeah, pretty cool.
What do you got there?
It looks like just a little art.
Oh, artwork.
Small artwork.
I love that it's matted.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool. I don't see a price on it, but this one has it. It's $14.99.
Okay.
So that still would be like under 20 price range. So that's pretty good. Let's keep looking back here. We have pins.
Okay, we had good luck with pins.
Right? These are all very Batuu. Like you have been a tourist in Batuu. This one here is silver, and they will usually categorize like silver will be one price, etc. So silver price is $12.99. That's the cheapest pin you're gonna find anyway, so we're not gonna keep looking there. Oh, these are cute. Little keychains, look at the pork. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, let's see. $14.99. You know what, I feel like $9.99 is gonna be the cheapest price for anything here.
I think so too.
That's what I'm kind of picking up right now. I always want this. Every time I see this Arabic translator card, I want it.
They're really great, and everything around Batuu has Arabic, so you can carry it around, and I love that it's wood and in-worldy, so it's not like you're carrying around like a, I don't know, piece of paper or something weird.
Yeah, and it looks better than using your phone. Like the data pad thing on the phone for the Arabic translator is cool, but this looks very like analog, like you gotta hold it. It's kind of cool. But this is $14.99, so I think, I don't know, I guess $9.99 might be it. So $9.99 might actually be the cheapest thing we can find here on Batuu.
It sure seems like it. There's so many things here though at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, from custom built sabers to legacy lightsabers to cool creatures over at the shop over there.
I know.
And apparel. Just so many things to commemorate your time while you're here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we had a blast showing you guys all of it. Yeah, I feel like looking for the cheapest thing allowed me to see the huge variety in like pricing tiers for everything, which is really nice. It is. If you guys want to come hang out with us here at Galaxy's Edge more and see everything new in 2024 and everything you can do here, click on the video on the side, and we will see you guys soon. Bye!